How to create an account on Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create an account on Discord. To create an account on Discord, first thing, install the app, head over to your respective app store, type in Discord on the search bar, and here you want to make sure to go ahead and click on the install button. Now, due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'll just instruct you. So once you're done installing the app, click the open button, and what here you need to do is simply tap on it. This is how it's going to look. Now what here you need to do is tap on the menu bar, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and click on sign up. All right. So you simply want to click on the sign up button, and after which you need to follow the on-screen prompt. That means enter in either your email address or a phone number, and then you create a username, create a password, or verify your contact details, and start creating your username. Once done, you could then go ahead and add in a board, or maybe you could join a group as well, and that is how you'll be able to create an account on Discord. And once you create your account, this is how the interface will look. So as you could see, here it is. You could then go ahead and make changes with your settings, all that stuff. So that's how you could create an account on Discord. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.